Fancy learning Welsh the easy way? So do I. Let's do it together. Hello again and welcome back to another episode of Learning Welsh with Will. And in this episode we're going to learn how to say that we like something or that we don't like something. To say that we like something in Welsh, we simply use the phrase dwi'n hoffi and then add whatever it is we like on the end. So for example, dwi'n hoffi garddio. I like gardening. Dwi'n hoffi garddio. Dwi'n hoffi hufen iâ. I like ice cream. Dwi'n hoffi hufen iâ. And yes, dwi'n hoffi coffee. I like coffee. Dwi'n hoffi coffee. Now if you really like something, you could say dwi'n caru. I love. So for example, dwi'n caru garddio. I love gardening. Dwi'n caru hufen iâ. I love ice cream. Dwi'n caru coffee. I love coffee. To say you don't like something in Welsh, you use the phrase dwi ddim yn hoffi. I don't like. So for example, dwi ddim yn hoffi garddio. I don't like gardening. Dwi ddim yn hoffi garddio. Dwi ddim yn hoffi hufen iâ. I don't like ice cream. Dwi ddim yn hoffi hufen iâ. Dwi ddim yn hoffi coffee. I don't like coffee. Dwi ddim yn hoffi coffee. And if you really don't like something, you could use dwi'n casau. I hate. So for example, dwi'n casau garddio. I hate gardening. Dwi'n casau hufen iâ. I hate ice cream. Dwi'n casau coffee. I hate coffee. And that's all from this episode of Learning Welsh with Will. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, hwyl fawr i chi.